Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is toned arms yoga. Let's begin. Okay, sit down nice and tall. Inhale one arm up. With other hand, grasp your wrist. And exhale, stretch to one side and gaze up. Use serratus anterior muscle, armpit muscle to bring your shoulders down. And pull with using other hand, pull your arm opposite way. Breathing, inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Start shifting to the Ujjayi breath. Inhale, next exhale, bring your arms down. Inhale, opposite side. Exhale, stretch to opposite side. Use the serratus anterior muscle to bring your shoulder blades down and gaze up. Walk on pranayama, your breath. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Release your arms. Inhale both arms up. And exhale cactus pose. Inhale up. Exhale, bring your elbows down. Inhale up. Exhale, try to squeeze your shoulder blades together. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale, shoulders down, relax. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale and down. Hug your elbows. And stretch your arms and shoulders. Five breaths. Soften your shoulders. Listen to your own breath. And relax. Other side, hug your elbow. Stretch your arm and shoulders. And relax. Now let's take tabletop pose. Okay. So from here, inhale. So either you can tuck your toes or straighten your toes. Choose one. And from here, from tabletop to inhale, exhale, bend your elbows and bring your chin down as low as you can. If you can touch the floor, great. If not, don't worry about it. And 2 and 3. Make sure as you bring your shoulders down, keep your shoulders, squeeze the armpit to elbow, keep it close to your body. 4, 5, 6, elbows in, 7, 8, 9, one more, and 10. Very good. Now sit on your heel and turn your palms this way. So pointing your fingertips toward yourself and stretch your arms slowly, slowly, gently, shifting your hips toward your heels. and relax. Relax your shoulders, relax your arms. And very good. And a little bit shake. Shake your arms. Okay, good. Now downward facing dog. And from here, inhale on your toes, tailbone really high up to the sky and bend your knee. And make sure to bring your knee close to your chest and hold this position. Maybe 5 deep breaths. Engage your core. Press your palms down. 10 fingers open wide and press them down. 4 and 5. Now slowly stretch your knees and bring your heels down. Very good. And from here, let's take plank pose. And bring your right hand center and turn your hips to the side and side plank pose. Okay, from side plank to thread your arms underneath your armpit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, back to plank pose. Left hand center. And side plank pose. Inhale, right hand up. And thread under. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. And back to plank pose. Okay, let's hold 5 breaths here. Get slightly forward. 1, heel to ground, 1 line. 2, stay with me. Navel to the spine. 4 and 5. Now bring your knees down. Let's open your knees, toes touch. Sit on your heel. And today, bring your arm to the side, forehead rest on the mat. And inhale, exhale, release, sigh out. This sequence is great to sculpt your arms. I recommend you include it with your workout routine. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel to select the bell option to get notified of my future episodes. See you soon!